What's the meaning of arse? Arse? Arse?
Arse. Arse. Arse is a vulgar slang term that refers to the buttocks or backside. It is commonly used in British English and other varieties of English around the world. The word is considered crude and impolite in many settings, particularly in formal or professional contexts. It is typically used informally, often for humorous or insulting effect. In some contexts, particularly in British English, arse may be considered less offensive than its American equivalent, ass. Overall, arse is a colloquial and informal way of referring to the rear end of a human or animal.